house where my money makes money. Now, this idea of this video is coming by the way of Dr. Boyce Watkins. He's a financial literacy PhD scientist, okay? He's a financial scientist with a PhD. He knows everything about finance. I'm just giving him credit so nobody don't say that I'm taking his things away from him. But he came up with this term, I believe in his Black Business School, and the name of the acronym, but the letters in the acronym actually constructs a word called poise, okay? Poise, keeping your poise, but P.O.I.S.E. And I'm have my notes here. The P stands for producer, because producer sells to who? The consumer. That's you, because if you looked at the t-shirt when I first hold it up in the video, then you will understand what I'm talking about. Also, the O means owner. See, you're not the owner, you're the renter. Like me, I'm renting this apartment right now, getting some things together in my life after I sold my house. So one day I'll be an owner again, and I won't be ever doing this thing again called renting. Moving right along. The I is for investor or investing. Become an investor who invests to multiply your money. I mean, I can go with percentage, 20-25%, but tenfold, right? At least tenfold multiplying your money. Moving right along. The S is for saver. I've been talking about it forever. Save your money and have plans for your money. Just don't, people like, I'm not just buying a car to keep it in the driveway. I'm buying a car to drive the car. So just like your savings, what are you doing with your savings? Not necessarily saving money to spend your money, but saving your money to maybe invest your money. And an investment could be buying a house. Yes, even though you're purchasing a house is still an investment, because after it becomes a liability if you don't pay it off. But once you pay off your house becomes an asset. Anything that you have and you're paying on, it doesn't make you money, it's a liability. Anything that you have that's making you money that's paid off is an asset. Moving right along. And the E is for entrepreneurship, or being an entrepreneur. A lot of you have these great ideas. You have these tremendous ideas, and you're not buying a small 3D printer to print out your product, to have some sort of prototype to even produce, to even try to put it into mass production, or get other people in on your invention, to get other people in on your thoughts and your ideas that could make you a millionaire, right? And some people say, well, it's not all about money, it's about my happiness. Well, a lot of times, if you're not going to go on some deserted beach and live off the land, you're going to need some sort of income. See, the notion that people tell me, they say, oh, I don't need a lot of money to be happy, or I don't need a lot of this. That's exactly why I'm doing this. I'm not saying you need a lot of money. I'm saying if you have money coming in, or you have a really good nest egg, or you saving up for your retirement, invest in your retirement, then you're going to be happy because you don't have to worry about money. It's not about a certain large amount that everybody needs to be a millionaire. It's about the amount that you need to survive and to live comfortably. See, don't let people tell you that it's not all about money, while everybody out here is making all that money. Poise, okay? Poise is almost like pause, but it's like poise. Be a producer, be an owner, be an investor, okay? Be a saver, be an entrepreneur. And everybody may not want to be an entrepreneur, but the other four letters in the acronym of poise means something. So I encourage you, I charge you, I motivate you to use that acronym in your everyday life, because I absolutely love it. Because it's kind of like, myself, I can be emotional sometimes but not show my emotions, but other people will be emotional and show their emotions. And I'm not just talking about when it comes to money, I'm talking about in your everyday life, whether it be about an altercation at work, interaction at an event or amusement park. Everybody's doing all these wild and crazy things, jeopardizing your livelihood, putting yourself in incarceration when you have kids, so on and so forth. Keep your poise. Rich people, and I'm talking about the rich people, not the actors and entertainers and musicians and comedians and entertainers. I'm talking about rich people, but I can use one out of Jay-Z's book. He keeps his poise. He's worth $1 billion because he's not out here like other rappers, and I'm not going to name any names because I don't really watch it like that, but out here doing craziness and getting himself into altercations and doing all this crazy wild stuff, he keeps his poise and he chills with it. He takes his money and invests in Uber and business like that. Yeah, he invests in Uber. Yeah. How do you think become a billionaire? Because he took that rap money, right? Well, let me start off. Let me be real. He took that Coke money to start his rap career, took that rap money and started his investment in owner and producer and all these other things, all the while keeping his poise. How do you land a phenomenal female like Beyonce without keeping your poise? Well, some of you may well argue, well, it's because Jay-Z is rich and because this, that, and the other. Okay, well, she's rich and now they have a baby and they're married. I'm off of it. This is not TMZ. The point I'm making is producer, owner, investor, saver, and entrepreneur. Get on your grind, right? Stop worrying about everybody else and what you see out here in these streets, what everybody else have. You don't know the debt that they are carrying around, trying to look like everyone else. Stop trying to buy all the expensive clothes, all the expensive items, live in all the expensive neighborhoods. Grind, struggle until you be where you want to be by using poise the whole time. You look at him, you're like, she's so poised. Look at her. Nothing don't rock her. Nothing rocks her. Look at him over there. He keeps his poise. That's a real good dude right there, a real honest stand-up guy. It don't matter what's going on. There's a volcano erupting. There's a mass shooting over there. He keeping his poise. Okay, these are metaphoric. I don't want a mass shooting to happen or volcano to erupt. But the point I'm making is, Ross World, keep your poise. Be a producer. Be an owner. Be an investor. Save your money. And if you want to, be an entrepreneur and start your own business. This is Ross World. Learn money and be inspired. And I thank you, Dr. Boyce Watkins, for this idea. What a phenomenal acronym. And I believe that we all should keep our poise. I'm out.